I want to talk about this first aid kit that Cinebook sent me to do a video on. If you're looking for something compact to put in the truck, in your backpack, or just carry along with you while you're hiking, this is going to be a great option for you. Now, first of all, let's look at the packaging itself. Right here, you've got the Velcro on the front with the American flag. Really like that feature. You've got a storage compartment right here. Handle for carrying right here on the back. You've got two straps. So you can put this on your belt. You can put it on a backpack. Additionally, you've got Molly right here if you're looking to add other items. Now opening this up. This has 121 different pieces. So there is a ton of gear contained within. Taking a look through. As far as some of the essentials it has bandages, trauma wound dressings, it has a space blanket, it has wound closure kit as well. This is widely used, and the thing I really like about it is the compact nature of it. This is small right here, so it's going to be easy to take with you, be it hiking, camping, whatever the case. Obviously, plenty of room to keep this in your vehicle or in a side-by-side or ATV, but the size of this as well makes it very easy to bring while you're going around, be it hiking or whatever the case. Let me see right. I keep one of these in my truck at all times. I make sure all my kids have one in their vehicle as well. You just never know. It's better to have one and not need one than need one and not have one.
Like to pick up one for yourself? Click on the link in the description below.